In this video, I'm going to show you how to add services on Square. Now, the first thing you have to do here on your dashboard, you want to go to Items and Services, click on Items, and then from here, you want to click on Service Library. Now, inside your service library, this is where you can basically go and create a service. So click on Create Service, top right. And then from here, you're going to have to give it a name. So I'm just going to, for example, name this, for example, let's just do landscaping or something like this. Of course, it's up to you, whatever you do. And then here you can give a description, or you could use AI to help you generate this. You could go and drag and drop images if they're relevant over here. And then of course you have locations. You have to select the locations here as well. And then here you have categories for your categorization. You can select these categories as well. And then from here you have the price. So it's either fixed or variable. So if it's variable, you can't actually put in the price, but if it's fixed, you can go and just type it in. So for example, I'm going to do 50 over here. And then cost over here, you can track service a cost. You can go and set the duration, so it's going to be 1 hour over here, and I'm going to do 1 hour 0 minutes like this. You can of course go ahead and block extra time after appointment. You could go and set online booking if you want to. So if you want it to be available to book online, you can do that, which I'm going to enable right now. And then here you have like resources, variations if you want to add them, and of course some advanced settings where you can add in modifiers, attributes, etc. So that's how to do this. Whenever you've done, of course, all this, you can go and click on Save, top right. And there we go, you've added a service. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.